Welcome to the Luxor. We are inside the pyramid and we're taking a look right now at the upper mezzanine area. There's some shops and some access to the Mandalay Bay Palace shops, in addition to the Titanic exhibit that's right behind us and the bodies exhibit. To the left, there's some restaurants. A little food court over there to the left with 5 restaurants. Diablo Mexican restaurant is up there as well, and this takes us right to Mandalay Bay. If you look down right here, that's actually the casino floor downstairs, but the entire pyramid on the inside is so cool to check out. I mean, this is a fun concept. It's based on the city Luxor in Egypt. The pyramid actually comes from Cairo, but the pyramid here, and then you see the Sphinx, which is obviously from Cairo as well. But a lot of the stuff that was in Luxor, that's currently in Luxor, is here. And so there's kind of little touches and hints everywhere, in addition to the building's shape and size. So we're gonna do a quick tour of Luxor and show you the room and a quick tour of the resort and the complex, so you can see what you're in for when you reserve your room here or you come here to hang out.
Hi guys, welcome to Luxor Hotel and Casino. Okay, so normally we do review of like the 5-star places, but we're here for a very specific reason. We are actually really excited to be here at the Luxor. Number one, because we got the room for free with points. Fun, right? Never a bad idea when you're going to Vegas and staying for free. Number two, we feel like this might be a little hint to our upcoming world travel adventures. So we're gonna be thinking about some places that may have something to do with Luxor. So we wanted to kind of get a little preview, get in the mood, get a feel for it. Come on, let's check it out. Sorry for the fan, but this place has been completely remodeled. So those of you who've been to Luxor in the past, this is all new fittings in this bathroom. And I love it. It's bright, it's clean. The shower is a really nice space. I love the space here. All right, so here's the main room. Again, guys, most times of the year, this room is only like $30 a night. So if you book in advance, oh my gosh, you can come and have a great time in Vegas, stay at a nice place and not break the bank, right? No matter what your budget, but look at this room. The first things I notice is the window. The Luxor is a pyramid. And so even when you go up in the elevator, it's a little bit shaky because you're going up like this because it's a pyramid. So the base is the biggest part. You go up like this to go to your room. So you're like, this is different feeling than normal elevators. It's because you're on a track going up, which is so cool and really fun. So here we have a small wardrobe for all the fancy outfits you have planned for your Vegas trip. One of my favorite things about this room is this right here. It looks like it could be mosaic. So it's really engaging, really intriguing, but it's also the shape of a dung beetle, which if you know anything about the Egyptians, they really like the dung beetles. Welcome to my office. Well, kind of. This is gonna be our office for the next couple days. Nice place to relax. We're gonna definitely set up like 3 laptops over there because that's how we always roll. And I love that there's extra space. So many places in the world, especially like in Europe, the rooms are so condensed and tiny, but here in Vegas, like even at the Luxor here, you feel like you have space to spread out, to relax, different areas where you can use the room for different purposes. Gonna test the bed out, so yeah, it's good. I don't mind it, it's great. Also, one key thing to point out, we are carrying Starbucks. There isn't a coffee maker in this room, but that's okay. There's 2 Starbucks downstairs and you wanna get out of the room anyway, right? They also have a little tiny mini fridge. It's not like stocked with anything to just, purchase in the room, but it is a nice space. Extra drinks, your leftovers, whatever you have.
I got a heart on fire. Someone hit the alarm. A heart on fire. Lighting up after dark. I hold my breath, but it's still gonna catch. A heart on fire. Heart on fire. Lately it's been hard to feel.
If there's 3 Starbucks, then I'm cool with it.
There's only 2.
We must have walked around in a circle. I thought there was one upstairs. Oh, that was in another place.
That was a different place.
There's 2 Starbucks.
Right. We're looking at the lobby of the Luxor Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. If you get dropped off by Uber, they're gonna put you in the little side corner over here and you gotta work your way through the back door. I don't know, maybe they don't like to see the people that come from Uber. Not sure exactly. But the main lobby is if you come by taxi or you come by your own private car. So the main entrance is also more grandiose. It also displays some really cool pharaohs at the entrance. We'll go take a look. And you can use mobile check-in here at the MGM, so you don't even have to see this beautiful front desk. You don't have to see this mile-long front desk. So you can do mobile check-in and not have to see any one of these wonderful people. Escalator to my right, to your left, is the main entrance to the second floor that we pointed out earlier, which gives you access to the Titanic, the Bodies Exhibit, the food court up there, as well as the Diablo restaurant and box office tickets. This is your only entrance here on this side, unless you're coming from the other side, Mandalay Bay Palace, which is the mall shopping area, which connects the Mandalay Bay Resort.
What a beautiful entrance here. It inspires me to think about Egypt. I've always had a very interesting passion for studying Egypt ever since I was young. I found it really fascinating, read all the books. It's so cool to get the experience where you kind of feel like you're in Egypt here in Las Vegas. Does anyone know if this fountain takes Bitcoin?
Anything kinda real. We've been lost in a maze. Different time, stranger place. Step out into the room, feeling electric blue. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. You got this magic kind of way. I get one look from you, my chest goes boom, 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 boom. I get one look from you, my chest goes boom, boom.
Oh my gosh. Huge. Luxor huge. Chicken burrito. A shredded chicken burrito. This thing that the Egyptians would adore. Surprisingly light. Very filling and surprisingly light. Yeah.
Vegetarian, gluten-free.
Babe, do you want to see a Bodies Exhibit?
I haven't seen it yet. I think I'd be really interested from a scientific perspective. I did go to school for a while. I did a specialized training in kinesiology and anatomy, so I have already seen quite a few cadavers, so I think I'm okay, but I don't know. Let us know in the comments if you've seen this and what you think about it.
There's over 4,900 4.5-star reviews on TripAdvisor for the Titanic exhibit. Supposedly there's multiple Titanic exhibits. Some are like in Ireland and in Tennessee, and there's one here, and maybe they travel as well. But I've only heard really, really great reviews. It's an hour and a half to be inside to check out the restoration process, some of the artifacts, pictures in front of the main staircase, I guess, and some really cool, informative time-lapse chronological style storytelling on the origin of the Titanic and then the demise of the Titanic as well. So be sure to check that out if you're here. And a lot of people come, if they come in Vegas for a day, they come over here to check out the Titanic exhibit because it's that popular.
I got a heart on fire. Someone hit the alarm. My heart on fire. Lighting up after dark. I hold my breath, but it's still gonna catch. A heart on fire. 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 Lately it's been hard to feel anything kinda real. We've been lost in a maze. Different times, stranger place. I get one look from you and my chest goes boom, 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 boom. I get one look from you and my chest goes boom, 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 boom. Step out into the room, feeling electric. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. You got this magic kind of way. When you look at me that way, step out into the room, feeling electric blue. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. Step out into the room, feeling electric blue. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. I got a heart on fire. Someone hit the alarm. A heart on fire. Lighting up after dark. I hold my breath, but it's
Luxor is located strategically in between Mandalay Bay Resort. To the right of Luxor and Mandalay Bay, you'll see the Four Seasons. And then on the North Strip side, you can go through Excalibur and you can make your way all the way up to the Bellagio, even further. Most of the hotels are connected, either through the hotel, you gotta go through, or to the Las Vegas Boulevard. So it's really cool how it is connected. On the Mandalay side, they've got shopping like a mall, and then through this section, Excalibur, it dumps you right into the Excalibur Resort and beyond. So pretty strategically located here on the south end of the Strip.
Thank you so much for joining us on this quick tour of the Luxor. We love having you guys along. We love being able to show a more affordable option. A lot of the tours that we do around here are big suites, but you don't have to stay in a suite to come to Las Vegas and have the most amazing time. One of the greatest things about this hotel, you're right across the street from the brand new Raiders Stadium. So if you like football and you're coming in town, this could be a really great option for you. We appreciate having you on the journey with us. Make sure to check out our Las Vegas playlist. We have all kinds of information on where to stay, different suites, where to eat, things to do, and we'd love to have you check out those as well. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about Las Vegas.